Hey people on YouTube, this is Tim here from the Clubpenguinxman 1's production, and today I'm going to be doing something which I've seen a lot of videos of M&Ms lately, which as you can see I've been watching 2 of them so far, which I'm seeing them melting. And today I'm going to be doing some M&M videos with this, and if you're wondering, I only have the green and yellow, and I don't have the blue, or I don't have the other color, so I only got green and yellow to try melting. So yeah, which I got it from my school project, my class to do for class, which I'm gonna be I'm gonna be using these M&Ms, and I'm gonna go to the kitchen and start microwaving them, okay? Which I will be able to microwave these things until as soon as I'm ready to go in the kitchen. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop the video and meet you guys in the kitchen. So yeah, and put some M&Ms in there and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you shortly as soon as I get in the kitchen. Alright you guys, I'm back. I'm about to re-continue the video. I just put like 9 green M&Ms and 8 yellow. So we're gonna be able to microwave right now, so yeah. Yeah, sorry about the noise. So we're about to eat some yummy stuff and making this another Snapchat video. Yeah, you guys cannot even see it that good, so I'm microwaving the. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So now we're gonna take out the M&Ms out of the microwave. And be careful, it is hot. You can see the green is so hot. Be very careful. So hot. Yeah. Wow. Oh, that's hot. Okay, that's hot. That is hot. So now let me stop and get to the office. So now let's go back into the office and see what it looks like. See you in the office. Alright, so here it is, guys. This is what it looks like when you break it. And the chocolate is melted. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a second attempt with the milk now. Alright, so I just got it out of the microwave again, which this is my second attempt with the milk. So you can tell it's really hot. Use your cautions. I need to do something. Use caution, okay? It's really hot, so this is what it looks like. So now let's get it. So I think we might go to the office again and see what it looks like. Alright you guys, I'm back. I'm back again, which is another Snapchat video, and this is what it is, which the milk is green now, which it got mixed up with the green and yellow M&M. And it was blended with the chocolate as well. You can see, there's chocolate. Yeah, so the milk is all mixed up now. You can see. And it's really the milk is Tastes cool. Tastes cool. You can see there's a chocolate as well. It got melted that way. That's really funny. Well, I think it's time to wrap up this video now, which I tried, which as you can see. So this was my second attempt with microwaving M&Ms, but this time I used the milk. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below and message me on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button for more content coming up. Follow me on Google Plus is Clubpenguinxman1. Follow me on Instagram is Timpeou2011 and share this with your friends. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of microwaving an M&M with two attempts, with the first one without the milk and the second one with the milk. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. So, thanks for watching.